welcome back to my channel. Happy first day of spring. In this video, I will be showing you how to create strawberry macarons with a strawberry vanilla buttercream. These are lovely, delicious, and a fun way to start off spring. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below so you're up to date on the newest videos. So let's put on our chef's coats and let's get baking. To make the strawberry macarons, you'll need 3/4 cups of almond flour, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 large eggs at room temperature, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of strawberry extract, and pink food coloring, but that is optional. In a separate bowl, sift the powdered sugar, almond flour, and salt, then place it off to the side. Heading over to your electric mixer, whisk the egg whites on low-medium speed until it becomes foamy for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, gradually add in the sugar, then increase the speed to medium-high for another 2 to 3 minutes. This macaron recipe is similar to the one I use in my Yoda macaron video, but slightly different. Add in the strawberry extract and food coloring, then whip on high speed for another 2 to 3 minutes until it forms a stiff peak. Remove it from the mixer and add in the dry ingredients. With your rubber spatula, fold in everything about 30 to 45 times until the mixture has a lava-like consistency. It should be able to mound itself, but also fluid to melt back down. Pour the batter into a piping bag with a round piping tip. On a baking sheet, pipe the batter in a circle shape. If you can get a macaron mat, that would be the best way to get the perfect shape for your macarons. Once your pan is full, hit the pan against the counter about 3 times and pop any unnecessary air bubbles with a toothpick. Allow them to sit for about 30 to 40 minutes until a shell forms. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your macarons for about 10 to 12 minutes or until you can peel your parchment paper or mat cleanly from your macaron shells. Make sure to rotate halfway through. Allow them to cool before peeling them off your parchment paper or mat. Next, it's time to make the buttercream. To make the strawberry vanilla buttercream, you'll need 4 tablespoons of softened unsalted butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of crushed freeze-dried strawberries, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk as needed. First, crush up your freeze-dried strawberries in a food processor or a magic blender, then place them to the side. In your electric mixer, mix the butter until it is smooth. Sift the powdered sugar and freeze-dried strawberries. then add them to the mixture. Next, add in your vanilla extract and your milk. Start off with at least 2 tablespoons of milk, then add more to your buttercream if you would like. You can also add more freeze-dried strawberries if you'd like. Just keep in mind that will affect the color of your buttercream. I added a little bit of white food coloring to lighten the color of my buttercream. Scrape down the bowl, then fill a piping bag with your buttercream. You can leave your macarons nice and simple or decorate them for spring. I drizzled some white chocolate on mine and added some gold nonpareils. To assemble, flip some of your macaron shells over and pipe on the buttercream. Then gently place another macaron shell on top. Now you're ready to start off spring with your strawberry macarons. And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification button so you know when the next video is. Also, share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to do so, and we have a lot of fun on this channel. Hope you all had an amazing time learning and making strawberry macarons. If you recreate these macarons or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. Hope everyone is staying safe and well, enjoy your macarons, and have a lovely spring. Bye!